All right, ready? All right. Okay, guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Got Amanda with me.
Hello.
Whoa. Fix that camera. Watch the car. Watch the car. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're ready. I'll turn this thing back on. It wasn't even on. There we go. All right. You know what? That's not going to work either. Whew. Hold on. Let's see if I can adjust this up a little bit taller. Not really. I'll take it up taller, but I probably shouldn't take it up taller. All right, here we go. All right, so, hey guys, this is Richard, and we're on the TST Dreamer. Amanda and I, taking it out, checking it out, seeing what it's all about. What just happened? There's some strange things going on with this bike. So Amanda, now I've got no pedal assist.
I'm telling you, that Dreamer is going to turn into a nightmare.
There's no pedal assist. So we just did an unboxing video and we test rode it right in front of the house, and what we discovered is you could go full throttle to 20 miles an hour when it was in pedal assist 1, but if you wanted to pedal, it would go in pedal assist 1, it would still take you to the top speed of 20 miles an hour. And just then we started out, it was zooming on up there to close to 20 miles an hour, so I paused. Now I'm pedaling again and it's getting me nowhere. Or maybe it's going to start working now, and pedal assist 1 is set for 6. Let's see what happens. Yep, I feel a little power there when I put it on 2. So now we're up to 8 or 9. So now it's working like it's supposed to, but it didn't to begin with. There's 3. Okay, so now it works. I don't know what's going on, but it did not work at all to begin with. Well, there's pedal assist 3, and it's still going to get me up to 18 miles an hour. There's 4. A little bit faster. It hit 20. And there's 5. No difference between 4 and 5. Man, I'm going to stop here for a minute. I just want to see what it does this time when we start off. And then put it back in pedal assist 1. And okay, so there it's going to start off. So it seemed to be working right now. Because it's not going to rocket me up there to 20 miles an hour real super fast like it was. So who knows what happened. There's 2. Let's see what happens on throttle only. So throttle only is still going to take you to top speed, which is fine. That's a lot of bikes do that. So I just bumped it up in the pedal assist 3, and it went ahead and wanted to take me up to 20 miles an hour. I bumped it back down in pedal assist 2, and the motor didn't cut out. It just kept on going. So 2 is 8, 9. Maybe 11, 12. It's wanting to, even at pedal assist 2 now, it's creeping on up. Pedal assist 3. Gonna drop it back down. It's at 19. Gonna drop it back down to pedal assist 2. Gotta hit my brakes. We're out of room here. Amanda, I think we're going to go out on our country road.
Okay.
So we can...
Off-road.
have a longer space to test this thing at. So here we go. So we're going to hit pedal assist 3. See what it gives us. We're still accelerating. Once you hit pedal assist 3, it wants to take you right on up there to the maximum speed. There's nothing in between. So then when you hit pedal assist 4, it does nothing. And when you put it in pedal assist 5, it does nothing. Yeah, definitely something strange going on with this bike. All right, let's stop here again for a minute. Those brakes are actually pretty darn good. Radius, never heard of the brakes. All right, so I'm gonna pedal assist 1, no throttle. Try it again. I don't know, I hope it was just a fluke that it wanted to take us to full speed. All right, I'm gonna stop here and you can ride it. Oh, they're having a community yard sale. You want to ride through there, see what we can see? You might find a vintage book collection or something. Come give this a whirl. It seems to be working fine now. Oh no. I can't ride this thing like that. Here we go. Now it's a little loose too. I need to tighten it up, but that's okay for now. Let's see if we can catch up to Mander up here. So talk to me, Amanda. What do you think? A little bit of a brake rub there, I hear.
Now that it's working, not bad.
Yeah, I mean, it feels pretty good. The pedal is, I mean, it pedals nice.
Yeah. It handles well. Doesn't feel like a super heavy bike, which is nice.
Yeah.
Like you wanted to listen to this shifter though.
Yeah.
I'm using
A twist throttle.
Yeah, the twist throttle. So that is definitely a little scary.
Yeah, for sure. Little get used to. Having the speed shifter there and like that.
Otherwise, it seems to be riding fine.
Yep. Whoa, what are you doing?
Sorry, I didn't realize you were right behind me. I was trying to test the brake.
Almost rear-ended Manders. Yeah, I slipped in behind you. I don't know. Time will tell. Do we like it? Do we not like it?
To be determined.
To be determined. Yeah. Growing on me too. We'll see. We'll get out, ride it some more. Let you know. Let you guys know what we think. That's gonna be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more of Amanda, give me a thumbs up. Tell me down below. If you want to see more e-bikes or e-trikes, let me know down below. Tell me what you're thinking. Yeah, but that's gonna be it for this one. So we'll see you guys in another video real soon. You guys ride responsibly, ride safe.